In this video, I will share the optimal aspect ratio for vertical videos. Wonder why the video will crop after upload to social media? This is because you are using the wrong aspect ratio. Continue watching this video to learn the suggested format for vertical videos. To prevent any cropping for your vertical video in Facebook, the correct aspect ratio is 2:3, or 1080 pixel width and 1620 pixel height. This format will avoid any cropping at the top or the bottom for the vertical video. Just a bit of clarification, I'm using an Android phone to verify the aspect ratio while filming this episode, so I'm not sure about the iOS devices or any future changes in future. For Instagram Newsfeed, the optimum vertical aspect ratio is 4:5, or 1080 pixel width and 1350 pixel height. If you upload a video to Instagram, most likely it will auto crop to the 1:1 square ratio. You click the bottom corner left full screen icon, you will automatically resize to 4:5 from the 9:16 vertical format. Ideally, I suggest making use of the maximum vertical space of your videos to create a better experience for fans. When it comes to Facebook or Insta story on TikTok, the preferred aspect ratio is 9:16. I guess this format is getting common and people are getting used to this portrait content. Depending on the final outcome or objective for your videos, I would suggest placing your primary subject or important element in the middle of the frame during recording. So the video is still flexible for future resize for 9:16 or 1:1, assuming you shoot the videos in horizontal 16:9 format. As for Twitter, I would suggest the 1:1 square aspect ratio works the best. You upload the vertical 9:16 ratio video to Twitter, it will automatically display to 1:1 at the newsfeed, so the video is expressing serious crop and might affect the viewing experience. 16:9 is still fine, but I think quite small during the preview at the newsfeed area. Next, the LinkedIn vertical videos have the same maximum aspect ratio with Facebook, 2:3. If you upload the 9:16 video, it will crop a little bit at the top and bottom section. Still fine if the important subject or interest remain mostly in the middle. Now let's discuss what is the best aspect ratio for the majority of social media platforms. The answer is 1:1, the classic square format made popular by Instagram. To save time and hassle of editing different vertical videos, you can see some of the brands are still filming the master video in 16:9 horizontal format, then add the title at the top and caption or title at the bottom of the final square video. In short, you already decided the videos will be published in vertical or square format. Please plan the composition and arrangement before you start recording. So which aspect ratio works the best for your social media content? Comment below to share your feedback. Thanks for watching and remember to like this video. See you in the next video.